Hey guys, welcome back to For Real. It's Anna here, and today, we're diving into an important iPhone security trick that could save you a lot of stress. Have you ever wondered what would happen if someone got hold of your iPhone and kept trying to guess your passcode? Well, Apple has a built-in feature that lets you automatically erase all your data after 10 failed attempts. Sounds intense? Don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step so you can decide if it's right for you. But before we jump in, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to For Real for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you've ever been locked out of your phone. All right, let's get into it. So, before we start setting up this feature, let's answer the biggest question. Can you get your data back after your iPhone erases everything? The short answer is yes, but only if you've backed up your phone. When your iPhone wipes itself, it's a fresh start. But if you have an iCloud backup or an external backup, you can restore everything, including your apps, photos, and settings. So, before you enable this feature, make sure you have regular backups enabled. You don't want to lose all your precious memories. All right, now let's get into the steps. It's super simple to enable this feature. Grab your iPhone and follow along. Step 1, open your Settings app. Step 2, scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode, or just passcode if you have an older iPhone. Step 3, enter your passcode when prompted. Step 4, scroll to the bottom and find the option called Erase Data. Step 5, tap the toggle to turn it on. When the pop-up appears, select Enable and boom, that's it. Now, if someone enters the wrong passcode 10 times in a row, your iPhone will completely erase itself to protect your data. Hey, quick break if you're finding this tutorial helpful. Hit that like button so more people can keep their iPhones secure. And if you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Join the For Real family for more awesome tech. So, what if you decide later that you don't want this feature enabled anymore? No worries, it's just as easy to turn off. Step 1, go back to Settings. Step 2, tap on Face ID and passcode, or passcode. Step 3, enter your passcode again. Step 4, scroll to erase data and simply toggle it off. That's it. If you ever change your mind, you can turn it back on at any time. And there you have it, your iPhone is now more secure than ever. Whether you decide to keep this feature on or off, at least now you know exactly how it works. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and drop a comment below if you think Apple should make this feature more customizable. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.